Kids during the seasons as winter gave way to spring, the days lengthened and the kids in Mulberry Lane welcomed the warmth. Anna and her little brother, Tim, marveled as the dormant world awoke. They spent hours in their backyard, a private jungle, plotting paths among newly sprung flowers and bright green shoots. Spring whispered secrets through blossoms and bumblebees, crafting a playground of mysteries for the children to solve. Then came summer, which painted their days with bold, vibrant strokes. The sun burned bright, turning their cheeks pink and their spirits bright as they are. And under its watchful eye, the favored spot was the lakeside where they splashed and built grand sandcastles, their laughter mingling with the lap of gentle waves. Each day ended with sticky fingers from melted ice cream and stories exchanged in the glow of fireflies. Autumn arrived on a whisper of wind, carrying a palette of red, orange, and gold. Anna and Tim took to the streets on their bicycles, racing through gusts that grabbed at their clothes, turning leaves into fluttering confetti around them. They gathered acorns and pine cones, their pockets heavy with treasures meant for Art P. Rejects that filled long evenings. Winter wrapped Mulberry Lane in a quilt of white when December's breath grew cold. Engulfed in woolen scarves and hats, Anna and Tim built a snow fortress in the park and waged snowy battles with friends, their laughter echoing against the stillness of frosted air. Evenings were for hot cocoa, the children's faces aglow by the fireside, trading tales of their icy exploits. Each season spun stories, and Anna and Tim, along with their friends, wove their adventures through them, a tapestry vibrant and lively, changing yet constant in its joy and discovery.